how to type Japanese with the PC. Step 2, input and convert. Okay, now please check the right bottom of the screen around here. So you can see ENG here. This shows English. And after installing your PC Japanese, please click here and you can choose Japanese here. So J for Japanese. And after that, please, what it is? A means inputting alphabet mode. And if you click, this becomes A. This means Hiragana mode. Okay. And now I'm opening Microsoft Word. Okay. Okay. So please confirm that this is Hiragana mode. And okay, now let's input Japanese. Okay. Hit Roman character, and then it will automatically convert it to Hiragana. So A for I for E, U for U, E for E, O for O. Okay, like this. And so please click hit Enter key to determine. Next, okay, KA, this becomes Ka. KI, this becomes Ki. KU becomes Ku. KU becomes K. KO becomes Ko. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, now let's go to the next step, katakana. Okay, to type katakana, first, okay, let's type katakana A. Okay, first hit A. Okay, then this is hiragana. And after this, hit function 7, F7 key to convert it katakana. Okay, like this. For another example, kakikukeko becomes kakikukeko. And after that, hit F7 key to convert it katakana. And here is some summary to some function keys. Okay, and so if you, after typing your strings for A, if you hit F6, it becomes hiragana. If you hit F7, it becomes katakana. And if you hit F10, so now I type A and hit F10. Now this becomes a Roman character, 1 byte. So this is same with English. So if you want to use English word in your manuscript, this is a very good idea to hit F10. Okay. Now finally, let's go to kanji. Okay. So to type kanji, first hit your reading at hiragana reading and hit spacebar. And then, for example, this is ichi, and then there are many candidates. So you can choose this with arrow keys. Okay. So, and you can see shift plus arrow key, and you can select how to divide the kanji. So this means I and chi, and this becomes ichi. Okay. Okay, now, and so now you have to choose the correct kanji from these candidates. And this means you have to remember each kanji to type the correct kanji. For example, this is a number 1. And this means, this sounds also ichi, but this means location. Number 1 and 4. Okay, and both sounds ichi. So you have to memorize kanji to write correct kanji. Okay.